again, James Zamora, and welcome to today's short video. And of course, once again, we are here at Casa Hermano, here sa Silang, Cavite. Guys, napakaganda ng private resort nila, guys. Parang Laguna na rin ang Silang Cavite, nakakaloka. Anyway, guys, sometimes we need to spend our time to our family. Hindi puro work. Diba? Mas mahalaga din naman makapag-gather tayo with our special someone. Ganon! Have a blessed day, everybody. Good morning! Galing tayo ng show. Dumiretso na tayo dito. So, makapag-say tayo ng bonggang-bongga dito sa Casa Hermano. Once again, just lang ka dito. Have a blessed day. I love you.